Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a twin kind of video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and make sure the background is the same, or like it's like this, it's like plain. What you're going to do, I'm just going to make this shorter to just show you a little bit. Okay, you're going to use the masking tool for this, so I'm going to be moving it to the left kind of, and then I'm just going to copy and paste this up here, and then I'm going to move the other one to the right, then go to mask, go and use split and rotate it around like 90 degrees and move it like so, and you're going to want to feather it out a little bit so the background kind of blends in with this one, with like the one in the back. And that's it. You have twins now. I guess you can use it for funny videos and stuff. You can even use it to like talk to yourself. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!